Online home jobs. Make money at home. What does it take to become a successful affiliate marketer? What are the ingredients of an affiliate marketing success story? Is there a shortcut to affiliate marketing glory? All these questions play around in the minds of affiliate marketers who want to make it big in this business. Although affiliate marketing is touted as one of the easiest and most effective ways to earn money online, it is not as easy as it sounds. The wise affiliate marketer plans every action and executes it the best way he can. He should also maximize the potential to earn by utilizing the right tools necessary for a successful affiliate marketing business. We gathered information from some of the most successful affiliate marketers in the business, and below are the top 3 necessary tools for a successful affiliate marketing business. Important tool number 1: your own website. The most important and indispensable tool in affiliate marketing is your own website. The first step in any successful affiliate marketing business is building a good, credible and professional-looking website. Your website is the jump-off point of all your marketing efforts. Thus, you must first build a user-friendly website, which will appeal to your prospects, and encourage them to click on the links to the products and service you are promoting and make a purchase. Therefore, you must first concentrate your efforts in building a website that will cater to what your prospects need. The most important thing you should consider is that almost all web users go online to look for information, not necessarily to go and buy something. Above all else, make your website full of original, relevant and useful content. People will love articles that are appealing and helpful. Keep in mind that, in the internet, content is still king, and good quality content will not only build your credibility, it can also help you achieve a higher search engine ranking. By posting relevant and useful articles, you establish yourself as a credible expert in the field, making you a more trustworthy endorser of the product or service you promote. Establishing a good reputation is a good step in building up a loyal consumer base. Important tool number 2: incentives. Competition is extremely tight in the internet world. You must always be one step ahead of your rivals to ensure that you capture a significant share of your target market. Therefore, you must use every possible means to encourage people not only to visit your site but also to click and proceed to the websites of the products and services you are promoting. Building an opt-in email list is one of the best ways to gather prospects. Offer a newsletter or an e-zine. Better yet, offer incentives to your prospects to encourage them to subscribe to your newsletters. You can present free softwares, access to exclusive services and other freebies that will be helpful to your prospects. Important tool number 3: link popularity. The importance of driving highly targeted traffic to your website cannot be emphasized enough. The all-important web traffic is at the top of the list of the most important entities in the internet world. Attracting people to your site should be the first step you should carry out. Do everything to achieve a high search engine ranking. Link popularity is one of the factors that search engines use to determine search engine rankings. Therefore, to enhance your link popularity, you must launch an aggressive reciprocal link campaign. One of the best ways to do this at no cost at all is by submitting articles, with your website's link at the resource box, to e-zines and free article sites. You will not only gain exposure, you will also have the opportunity to advertise for free. Just include a link back to your site. The more sites you submit your articles to, the better your link popularity is. Make your articles original, relevant and useful so that more websites will pick it up and post it. These are but 3 of the many tools that an affiliate marketer can use to maximize earning potential. The possibilities are endless and are limited only by your imagination, creativity, resourcefulness and determination. You can always explore other ideas and adapt other strategies, which you think might help you become a high-rolling affiliate marketer. Do you agree, or do you disagree? Tell us what you thought about this video. What other ideas can you add to this list that I may have not mentioned? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend. You can read more information like this at onlinehomejobs.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Also, like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to receive more tips like this. Thanks and have a great day.